Today I'm at the DC wastewater treatment plant. It's the largest wastewater treatment plant in the world. Everything you can see on the horizon around me is part of their water treatment system. We're just completing a 30,000 square foot building for their Biosolids treatment system. I'm standing on top of the roof. It's a standing seam roof. It's a Butler building with their MR24 standing seam roof system, and it's really made to have attachments for these photovoltaic cells. You can see the S5 clip here and the rail system, and the photovoltaic cells easily attached to that. Very efficient way to install photoelectric cells. The entire roof is covered with photovoltaic cells except for this walkway. This is another system that Butler makes. It's a walkway system that ties in nicely to the standing seams. It fits between the seams and attaches with these easy clips and mastic. Everything on the building is a G90 galvanized steel, which should last about 600 years without any significant deterioration. On top of that, the roof is made out of a galvalume, and the galvalume is covered with a Kynar PVDF system, polyvinyl diene fluoride system. This building is a little bit unique because it's entirely covered with either photovoltaic cells or with the walkways. It also has a handrail system that we incorporated. This is made by a company called Hollyander, and it's made out of T6061 and 6065 aluminum with these cast connectors on it. And it's a heavy duty, like a 1/8 inch thick pipe system that should last them several hundred years without any deterioration. On top of the aluminum alloys, it also has an anodizing on it. In addition to that, the entire roof system will have a lightning protection system, which is going to be installed right after we finish the toe kicks here. You can see how the wiring for the photovoltaic works, and we've sized all of the conduits so it fits below the walkway system. The Kindorf and other electrical will attach to the rail system and then go downstairs to the inverters. Anyway, the pre-engineered system is really made for this type of efficiency, for photovoltaic cells, for walkways, handrails, everything else you can imagine. We are able to incorporate all of those systems together and put them up way less expensively than if you were to custom engineer all of this. We're very proud to have been part of this reclamation system, recycling the nutrients that come out of the wastewater, and part of the renewable energy system that goes on this building. I'm Bruno Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction. Call us about your next project.